Here's a step-by-step tutorial to fix the DHCP server down issue. The DHCP server is not issuing IP addresses. New devices show 169.xxx or no IP address. Existing devices with IPs are unaffected. Cause: DHCP service is stopped or server is offline. Step 1. Identify the DHCP server. Ask, what machine or device is responsible for DHCP? It could be a Windows server, router, or Linux box. If unclear, check network documentation or ask your network admin. Step 2. Ping or access the DHCP server. From a working device. Open command prompt, Windows or terminal, Mac Linux. Run. Ping if it responds. Server is online. If it doesn't respond, server is down. Skip to step 5. Step 3. Check DHCP service on Windows server. If it's a Windows server, log into the server, press Windows + R, type services.msc, hit enter. Look for DHCP server in the list. Check status. If running, try restarting it. If stopped, right-click. Start note. Also check for errors in Event Viewer, Windows logs, Systems. Step 4. Test DHCP assignment on a client device. Open CMD, type ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew or disconnect and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Check if it now receives a valid IP, for example 192.168xx or 10xxx. Step 5. If the DHCP server is offline. If the server is not reachable, check physical status. Is it turned on? Plugged in? If it's a virtual machine, check its host status, for example, Hyper-V, VMware. Try rebooting the server if safe to do so. If recently patched, it may need a manual start after reboot. Review the network switch or the port it's connected to. Are there any lights activity? Step 6. Check router switch if DHCP is there. If using a router or firewall, for example MikroTik, pfSense, Cisco, access its admin interface, usually via IP like 192.168.1.1. Go to DHCP settings. Confirm the DHCP server is enabled. Restart the DHCP service or the device if needed. Step 7. Check for IP conflicts or scope issues. On the DHCP server, ensure the scope is active. Check available IP. If exhausted, new devices won't get an address. Expand the scope or shorten the lease time if needed. Step 8. Clear client cache. On the client machine, ipconfig/flushdn, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew. Step 9. Document the fix. Record what went wrong, what fixed it, and what preventive step you took. If it was a service crash, consider enabling Restart on Failure in the DHCP service settings. Preventive tips. Enable service monitoring for DHCP. For example, use Nagios, PRTG, etc. Configure the DHCP service to auto-restart on crash set alerts for scope exhaustion. Regularly back up the DHCP configuration. If you can tell me what OS or DHCP solution you're using, for example, Windows Server, Linux ISC DHCP, MikroTik, etc., I can give you more tailored steps.